Join me as I take on the challenge of creating my very own AI-driven YouTube channel in just 3 hours. Creating a YouTube channel can seem daunting, but what if I told you it's easier than you think? With the power of AI, you can create a thriving channel in just a few hours. No more struggling with content ideas, video editing, or audience engagement. AI tools have made it possible for anyone to create high-quality content and grow their channel quickly. Many aspiring creators struggle with planning their content. They spend hours brainstorming ideas, only to end up with a mediocre video that fails to engage their audience. Others struggle with video editing, spending hours trying to perfect their craft. And then there's the challenge of audience engagement. How do you keep your viewers interested and coming back for more? These are just a few of the hurdles that can discourage people from even starting their channel. The good news is that AI tools can help with all of these challenges. For content planning, AI-powered tools can suggest topics and even generate scripts for you. Video editing can be automated with AI algorithms that can cut, trim, and arrange your clips for you. And for audience engagement, AI can help you analyze your viewers' behavior and suggest content that they'll love. With AI, you can focus on what matters most, creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Take, for example, a creator who used AI tools to launch a successful YouTube channel. She used an AI-powered script generator to come up with ideas and write her scripts. She then used an AI video editor to edit her clips and add captions. And with AI analytics, she was able to track her viewers' behavior and adjust her content strategy accordingly. The result? Her channel grew rapidly, and she was able to monetize it in just a few months. In conclusion, creating an AI-driven YouTube channel is easier than you think. With the right tools, you can create high-quality content, engage your audience, and grow your channel quickly. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, let's get started. If you're interested in trying out these AI tools, please comment below and let me know which ones you're excited to try. And if you want to learn more about optimizing your YouTube growth strategies, be sure to check out my next video.